Now, this next article, Apple. What do you got there? I don't have that article.
This is not the article.
Redesigned MacBooks. We talked about that on a previous episode.
Oh,
Go to the Financial Times article up top. There you go.
this one? Okay,
Yeah, I see that you're not signed in.
Oh,
there, Willie,
boy.
dude. We do have a subscription.
okay, hold
We
on.
have a subscription, so you can go ahead and sign in, man. It's even saved. Sick.
That's useful.
Anyway, we're talking about Nissan and the Apple car because there was the whole thing with the Korean automakers. There's the whole thing with Hyundai and Kia and Georgia and making the vehicle in the United States. And then they were like, nah, we're not talking to each other. And then it turned into like a pride thing, it felt like, where it was like, yo, we ain't Foxconn. We're Hyundai. We make our own. Like, check out our upcoming platform. We want to we're here to compete.
Uh-huh.
Don't put your badge near our stuff. Like, we'll collab. We'll put an X. Like, we got BTS the other day. Or no, did they get BTS or they got the other one? Was it Blackpink? I don't know who they got.
Yeah. I think it's BTS, right?
Well, they'll put the X,
their
but they're not going to, like, let you
Ionic.
completely remove their badge. That's my feeling on the matter. Like, I know, obviously, these types of conversations and negotiations are mostly private, but these are well-established brands. And I'm not saying it's the right move. You may want to be on this Apple juice,
Yeah, didn't their stocks go down?
as they would.
Yeah.
They could go up and down with that Apple badge. It's a lot of heat on that logo, as you're well aware. But it's complicated because you start to get worried somebody's about to eat your lunch. And you know, I like to eat my lunch.
Sure.
So
We
do
all
you.
Yeah.
So do you. I've seen it happen before. Right
Yeah,
there.
right here.
I've
Yeah.
seen it happen before.
It's a great time.
I've seen you head over to TNT and come back with a platter.
Uh-huh.
I've seen it.
Yeah. And
You-
it's happy right here.
You don't want it. You don't even want Otis to get a piece of that.
No. No sharing.
So these companies, they start to worry, like, what is your real game plan? You're going to piggyback this thing and then cut us out. It's like, remember the movie Blow?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Great
you're
movie.
gonna get to this point and cut us out.
Uh-huh.
Can't have that.
Kia's on an island.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So they moved on from the Korean automakers and they started a chat in Japan. They just started to have a chat in Japan. I don't know why I like that idea.
A chat in Japan.
I like that idea, you know? It sounds like a special interview or something.
Yeah.
A chat in Japan
Yeah.
with PBS NewsHour or something. Anyway, then the stocks, as you mentioned, for the Japanese automakers, they boom. They start booming. People say, oh, they're going to do it.
Yeah.
Mitsubishi's going to do it. Subaru's going to do it. No. Nissan's going to do it.
Uh-huh.
And so the latest one with the Nissan, as you have up here, the report, Apple approached Nissan in the recent months for the secretive autonomous car project. But now those talks are apparently squashed as well, as the discussions didn't even advance to senior management levels following divisions over branding for the iPhone maker's electric vehicles. So you can't even get a senior level at Nissan? You're Apple! Get out of here. I don't believe that. Okay, fine. Maybe I do. But I feel like the senior dude could have come for the chat.
Yeah, at the very least.
I mean, if I was the senior dude, I'd want to hear the chat, personally. But you never know, man. These dudes are so senior. They're like, no, you go hear the chat. You come back and tell me I'm senior. I'm over here. So
Yeah.
you go have the, and somebody else had the chat, and then it has to advance and get through to different thresholds. But I just would have thought you pick up the phone if it's Apple. But anyway, the sentiment here seems to indicate, it seems to me, now it could all be smoke and mirrors, but it seems to me it's a little tougher for Apple to find a partner than they may have originally imagined. That some of these brands they're approaching, they expect to just, roll out the red carpet, and they're sitting there saying, no, we've been making cars for a bit. We're pretty proud of that badge we got there, and we're not going to be the Apple car maker off in the background and be invisible. I mean, I'm just speculating,
Yeah.
that there could be some apprehension around it. There's some pride with this thing.
Yeah. Yeah. It
And
seems like all automakers have some sort of pride making their own vehicles, which isn't a bad thing.
could be in the long run. Sometimes that pride can get in your way.
Is that a quote?
I don't know. I'm sure many
I feel
people.
like it is from a movie.
I'm sure people have said it before.
Yeah.
Oh no, you're thinking of a different quote. You're thinking of.
Oh.
Yeah, it's with an
Pulp
expletive.
Fiction.
It's with an expletive. It's with a
Yeah, yeah.
with a swear. With
Yeah.
a swear in there.
Vin
That's
Rames.
that pride effing with you.
Yeah.
You see, it's a family show. Yeah, you're talking about
Great
Bruce.
movie.
Talking about Bruce Willis.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will. It will sometimes.
Bruce
Like
Willis, yeah.
you might be missing out on a huge deal, and who knows what the future looks like in a competitive industry. But you can empathize with having built a brand, competed with a brand, feeling passionate about a brand, and then having these proposals that appear to potentially diminish that brand. I mean, yeah, we can feel that. Whether it's the right or wrong move, well, time will tell as usual. But what this does bring up, Willie Do, is the original speculation around Magna just doing it. Because
Yeah.
now you have a company that isn't even trying to be that. They're not even trying to slap their badge on it. They love being in the background. They love being the Foxconn. They love being invisible. They're like, what you need made. What you need, boss? Let's go. We'll fill it out. We'll count those dollars. We don't mind. You know?
Yeah. And they're in the backyard.
Yeah,
It's
just
right
around the
there.
corner. So
Yeah.
now they got to come back into question and you see their stock price. I don't know. Take a look at it. Might be up a little bit. Maybe all of a sudden these reports out of Japan. Oh, look at that. Maybe these reports out of Japan. I don't know. It's up a little bit. Give me a 1 month. Give me a 6 month on it. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just saying. So there's a lot going on here. It's a ton of opportunity. I'm curious to see how it all maps out, but I can see it from both sides.